Nahihiya ko eh. Ay, ganun. Ito yung arrange. Magkabili mo ba? Oo.
Pero saan ka?
Parehas pa kami. Hello! Hello! Kumingay.
Celebration here at One Space One Ayala. So of course we have a quick reminder for some of you, or for those of you who have not registered yet, you guys can register now before entering our main event area. But we also have some booths that you guys could visit. We have our legacy booth, Saling Lahi Generations of Taste at our foyer. And also, for those of you para pwede nyo ipakita yung mga outfit of the days ninyo sa ating photo wall while enjoying the beautiful music of our Rondalia as we prepare for the celebration of our Holy Mass. Now, for those of you posting and taking photos and videos and making memories, don't forget to use our hashtag 50 years of Via Mare on all of your captions as you upload your memorable photos on all your social media platforms. We can't wait to see your posts, and our Holy Mass celebration will start shortly.